Actually, hindi pa namin pag-usapan yun, but I will still have to seek his final guidance. But apparently, according to our police liaison officer to Malacanang, si Police Senior Superintendent Wilmore Escobar, order of the President is to let this, to have this 300 plus policemen from SRPO who are due for retraining to the values leadership school doon sa Subic. Bago doon ipapa-retrain or instead ipapa-retrain doon sa Subic, pa-reportin mo na sa Malacanang at para mag-start sila maglinis sa Pasig River. So, I am now ordering the RD of the SRPO to have this 300 plus policemen to report here to Camp Ramid para sasamahan ko, dadalhin ko sa Malacanang a-provision ko sa harap ni Presidente para mag-start na sila maglinis sa Pasig River.
Sir, ang tono